Hey, what's up guys, I'm Sean. Welcome back to Fix My Home channel. I want to install the TV on that wall. Let's start it. So first thing I have to do, I measure from this wall to that wall and I find the middle, and I want to know what is the top of my TV. Is 32 inch, and I wanted the top of the TV be same level of that door, you know, that space, so be same level as that one. This is the mountain bracket. I'm gonna install that on the wall and then put the TV on that one. It's very simple and everyone can do it. So I measure the wall, and I find the middle, and the top of the TV, like I said, I want to be here. So from here to the ceiling is 15 inch, here is 15 inch, and I from over there to on the bottom is 32 inch for the TV and 16 inch in the middle. But you see the point, but in the middle, if I put the bracket here, it's gonna hit the outlet, so I have to go lower or, you know, above the outlet. There you go. There's a template with the box. So I'm gonna match these 2 points. So in the middle, I'm gonna put in the middle of my point. I know there's a stud here. That's a good thing. I'm gonna put one screw here. Every 16 inch is gonna be one stud. So here I make the hole here so I can see the that black point. I put it here when I move it. So, and I stop right there, and I'm gonna make the mark and then put the screw and go to the stud, so it will be secure. If it doesn't have a stud, I'm gonna use the anchors. So, but my case has a stud. So make sure your thing is level. I just made that 4 mark, so you see those black mark, and at the end I put 2 extra one, but there is no stud here. I found it later, so you can put the anchors. So this is the bracket I'm gonna install. It come with the screw, but those screw is too big. I'm gonna use my screw is this one, and that's enough, believe me. So I put one screw to the stud. There's a stud in the back, and I'm gonna find another stud with the stud finder. So it was one stud over there, and when you go, when you see the beep, so it's gonna be another one right here. Okay, so you guys, sometimes you don't know exactly where is that. Just put your screw and you're gonna feel it. So I put the next one, but I put the level and make sure it's level, and now I'm gonna put it in. There you go. So I put 4 screw. I'm gonna put one more over there, but at the end you can put the anchors, any anchors you want, but to be honest, I just put that 4 screw in the stud, and that was more than enough for my TV. Okay, but you can add the 2 more anchors at the end. Behind the TV, and you can have a different size of a screw, so you have to know which one is good for your TV, and is that size is enough. So don't worry, you have a different size and you can test it. So I put those screws. It was too long, so I have to take it off and put the small one. So you have to use the smaller screw here. So I put these 2 brackets. The way you just want to do, you just want to pick it up and put it over there. That's it, like this. And the bottom is gonna clips, so you don't need another person. You can do by yourself, like I did. Perfecto. There you go, beautiful. Thank you for watching. Make sure subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification for the future video. I will show you how to fix your home by yourself without paying anyone. So see you guys next time. Have a great day.